Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will challenge our perceptions of reality. Get ready to dive into this cutting edge world of augmented vision as we explore Apple's revolutionary creation. But before we take a leap, let's start off with this captivating glimpse into the recent news surrounding the Apple Vision Pro. Trust me, you won't believe your eyes. Welcome my tech savvy friends. It's your boy Dancing with Tech, and we're gonna have some truly mind-boggling in store for you. We're here to unravel the mysterious and marvels of the Apple Vision Pro, the latest breakthrough from the tech giants at Apple. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride through the realms of augmented reality and innovation. In the recent news, Apple has been causing a lot of ripples and excitement across the tech world. Apple recently unveiled their highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro, taking the concept of augmented reality to unprecedented heights. This game-changing device comes in the form of virtual reality headsets that promise to transform the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. Picture this. You're strolling through a busy city, and suddenly your vision is flooded with layers of interactive information. The Apple Vision Pro seamlessly integrated augmented reality, presented real-time data and digital overlays right in your line of sight. No more fumbling with your smartphone or squinting at screens. This futuristic eyewear turns the world into your personal information hub. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some of the mind-blowing features packed into this seamlessly ordinary contact lenses. The Apple Vision Pro utilizes advanced sensors and image recognition technology to identify objects, people, and landmarks, offering instant information at your fingertips. Well, technically right on your eyelids, right? So say goodbye to getting lost or wondering what you're looking at. Your eyes will become your ultimate tour guides. And if you see what I see and subscribe to the channel, well, look wonderful. The Apple Vision Pro headset offers the ability to see the real world around them, unlike virtual reality VR headsets that fully immerse the wearer. The headset features a floating home view that is visible upon wearing it, allowing users to seamlessly integrate it into their daily lives or use it long flights. It incorporates 4K displays and infrared cameras, LED illuminators, and is powered by Apple's M2 chip and a new R1 chip specifically designed for mixed reality. Notably, the headset includes a small dial for users to switch between mixed reality and virtual reality modes, and it relies on voice input, including Siri for app control and media playback. The Vision Pro also features spatial audio, speakers integrated into the soft headband, and external battery pack for a light overall experience. Apple highlights the Vision Pro app experience, introduced a technology called Eyesight that allows nearby people to appear in the user view even in immersive mode. Additionally, the headset includes a built-in 3D camera for capturing spatial photos and videos, as well as creating realistic 3D avatars. The Apple Vision Pro stands as a groundbreaking innovation pioneering a new era of augmented vision. What sets it apart is it complete independent from your iPhone. Unlike previous AR devices that rely on smartphones connectivity, the Apple Vision Pro operates autonomously, freeing or carrying a separate device. So no more phones, right? With its built-in sensors, image recognition capabilities, and advanced processing power, this compact wearer transforms ordinary contact lenses into a gateway to an augmented world. Apple's commitment to pushing boundaries is evident as they have truly a standalone AR experience that brings the future of sight directly to our eyes. They say the eyes are the windows of the soul, but with Apple's Vision Pro, they'll also become the windows of your social media feeds. Oh man, bad weather, right? Speaking of weather, there also be weather updates and instant messaging. I can already imagine people competing to have their most followers in their retinas. And here's a cherry on top. The Apple Vision Pro's translation feature, this innovation is set to bridge language barriers like never before. Imagine traveling to a foreign country and effortlessly understanding signs, menus, and conversations in real time. The headset runs on the standard M2 chip, paired with a new R1 chip which takes on the video streaming. The displays are micro OLED, which is impressive. 64 pixels is roughly the space of the standard iPhone Pixel. The 3-element lens is designed to improve the imaging from all angles. The company also teamed up with Zest to bring custom prescription glasses inserts rather than accommodating for the rare glasses. During the demo, native Apple apps like FaceTime were briefly shown, indicating that a Vision Pro headset will support a range of familiar applications. Users will have the ability to send emails, browse the web, and connect with external accessories for work purposes. While Apple has been collaborating with specific developers in preparation for the launch, the official release of the Vision Pro means that other app creators can now begin developing or optimizing their apps for this new platform. The video demo also mentioned Microsoft apps like Teams as potential offerings, and Unity-based games will be compatible with the headset as well. So now let's talk about the cost. The price. The ever important aspect of any technological marvel. When it comes to Apple Vision Pro, one must acknowledge the cutting-edge innovation often comes at a cost. The Apple Vision Pro is set to be released in early 2024, but it comes with a hefty price tag of $3,499, and that does not include taxes. Damn! The price indicates that the focus is primarily on enterprise buyers rather than the average consumer like me and you. However, it's worth nothing that the inclusion of Pro in the name suggests that there may be a more affordable option or version coming one day. Who knows? Maybe introduced in the future, catering to a broader range of consumers like us, right? So if you're not ready to splurge just yet, then go ahead and put a down payment on a car, buy a car, not the Vision Pro. Anyways, this should be a budget-friendly option somewhere down the line. And there you have it, folks. The Apple Vision Pro, a glimpse into the future of sight, from augmented reality overlays to real-time information, entertainment, and translation capabilities. This remarkable device has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the rest of the world. So keep your eyes wide open, literally, and use your sense of wonder ignited, because the Apple Vision Pro is here to take us on an extraordinary journey. Thank you for joining me today on this enlightening adventure. If you enjoyed our dive into the Apple Vision Pro and have any thoughts, comments, or hilarious jokes of your own, feel free to share them in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more cool or wonderful content. And don't forget about our $500 giveaway. Just check it out, guys. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.